In this video, I'll be going through my exact store fundamentals that allowed me to scale to 6 figures. Whether you've never made a Shopify store before or you're just looking to improve your website, this video is for you. Stick around till the end and you'll be able to build a beautiful dropshipping store that can bring in 7 figures a year. Also, I'll be revealing some of my personal little tricks that increased my conversion rate significantly. Okay, first I want to go over what should be entering your brain when you're making a dropshipping store. You need to think like your customer. Imagine you are literally your customer and you are making the store for yourself. The copy, the colors, the visuals, these should all reflect the customers that visit your page. Okay, so I'm now on my PC, as you hopefully can see, and we're gonna go through this store called Bleem. So Bleem is a perfect example of what you want your store to look like. They use a standout feminine color and have a clean layout that's very easy to digest. They also use slang for their customers, as you can see here. 175k happy babes. But yeah, this is what I want you to keep in mind when making your store. Now I will go in depth and make a store from scratch, so follow along closely. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, we're gonna be using this baby bear onesie, as you can see here. So I just found it on AliExpress, and then I used this app called De-essers, and then De-essers basically allows you to import your AliExpress products to Shopify. So this is what I did here, as you can see. Okay, then after I put this prompt into ChatGPT, and it basically gave me 3 different colors that I can use for my branding. So this is perfect. I'll put the prompt in a Google Doc in the description. Okay, then I asked ChatGPT for a list of brand names that are relating to the niche, and it gave us this, Cuddle Cubs. So I really like this, so now we're gonna head over to Canva and make the logo quickly. Okay, so here I'm just gonna upload a previous logo that I made so that I can get the sizing right. Okay, so now we can delete this shit and do text. Add a text box. Okay. Cuddle Cubs. I think I like this font because it looks very playful, which perfectly suits the theme of the brand. And I'm also going to take the previous color that we got from ChatGPT to make that the color of the logo. Voila. Okay, perfect. Go into logo, and then here we go. Okay. Looks good. We're gonna go ahead and change the announcement bar to add some trust, over 10,000 happy customers. Then we're gonna go into reviews. Okay, I like to do it like this, 4.8. Then we'll just say like 433 reviews. And then also to make the website flow well, I like to add the other colors that we got from ChatGPT. So this medium brown color. Let's see. Boom. Okay, so you see the brown works with the brown, looks good. Okay, and actually I'm gonna make this bold as well so it looks a bit better. Okay, I like to add a text above the product title so it looks a bit more branded, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna do this. Cuddle Cubs here, and then this one. Okay, that looks good. Just need to remove the margins like this. Okay, perfect. So the first half of the section is done. Now we're also going to change the price so that we have the perfect price of the product. And also we need to change the compare at price, so let's do that quickly. Okay, it looks good, but I'm going to change this color. Let's see, price. Boom, boom. Okay, now we're gonna add some trust icons at the bottom. Okay, so now we're also gonna add our FAQs at the bottom. 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, so now we're gonna add a quick emoji benefits. This is just like simple benefits about the product. But instead of the benefits, I'm just gonna do a line of text. I feel like it's way more professional. So, turn your little one into an adorable cub, like this. Boom. Okay, so now we're gonna sort out our offer. So the best app to do this is called Kaching. Kaching bundles, as you can see here. Okay, so I'm gonna do a simple bundle and save bundle, but I'm also gonna change it so it looks all nice. Okay, so that looks good to me. Perfect. Okay, so this is how we're looking so far. It's looking nice. Oh yeah, we need to add the bundle. Okay, now what we're gonna do is go ahead and sort out the description. Okay, so there's a custom liquid here, as you can see, and I'm basically gonna ask ChatGPT to change it for me, to change it to the color that I want, and also the exact text that I want. Okay, that's the one. Okay, so the reason I put the trust badge and the testimonials at the top is because the main thing you want to convey when people come to your site is that you're a trustworthy brand, and this is exactly what branding is as well. So this is like very, very important, and this is why this is at the top of the description. So like this. Perfect. It's looking good. Okay, so I've finally finished the website, and this is how it looks on phone. Have our offer, trust. Perfect. So I'm going to be leaving this theme template in the description. So if you want, you can just download it and then put in your own content or your own copy, and it's perfect. If you did enjoy or learn something new, make sure to hit the sub, and I'll see you in the next one.